Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Here we're going to do a little quick repair on a broken kitchen drawer. Probably held silverware. From all the extra force pulling out, they've broken the front off the drawer. Now what they've done is, in prior repairs, people pound nails into these in an attempt to hold them together. I'm going to pop this apart so that you can see the nail. And here's what the nail has caused. When the nail's being pounded in, it has split the plywood laminations of the drawer. So when we go to glue this together, we're going to get some glue between the broken laminate here, more glue here, and when we clamp this tight, we need clamps. We need clamps. We can pull this tight so we reduce all the air gaps so that we get good, positive adhesion with the glue. So one of the things we need when we're coming behind someone that was ahead of us, we need a sharp chisel. We can take a sharp chisel and we can use it to knock off any of the excess old glue that's going to prevent us from getting this cabinet back together. So we've reduced all the air gaps. If there's no air gaps, our glue will be strong. Any place where we end up leaving air gaps will be a weakness in the glue joint. We're going to show that we do not need nails. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by getting a little glue under all the loose pieces. The strength from glue is having plenty of it. Lack of glue is going to be no good for us. And in this case, we're also going to use a little glue on the plywood edge. We're going to pick up a little bit of strength from it. We're not worried about it shrinking and expanding like as in raised panel doors from other surfaces, because this is all plywood, as opposed to raised panel doors are solid wood and plywood together. See, we're going to schmuck some glue in there. See? Now we can simply put this together. This should be an easy job, this one. Alright, so we have to wiggle this around. We want to align everything we can to beat the guy that was ahead of us all of his glue. We'd like to get the bottom lined up. Take a couple of clamps. Jorgensen bar clamps. We've been here before. Because we want to pull this drawer several different ways. We need to pull it together, from front to the back. We just put these on snug. We don't put them on real hard. And we want to grab, we're pulling on this board, so we want our clamp to be pushing on the board. We want this end of our clamp. See, that's how we know that this door is getting repainted. We're not too worried about our clamps on the front of the door. Now our goal is to pull it side to side, so that these sides are pulled tight to the front. That also maintains the width of the drawer, which is very important. Maybe you can see what I'm doing. Trying to line up the bottom. Draw the face in tighter. So we're working to get all of our clamps aligned to get rid of all the gaps in this door. Now, over on this side, we got this clamp that I missed the solid rail, and we don't get any one clamp on too tight at one time. We can tighten up the opposite side.
3 of those, please.
Got a little gap at the top. We only have just so many clamps. See a little gap up here? So we're going to reposition this clamp a little higher. This drawer is going to be one solid thing, which we'll be able to show you tomorrow morning after the glue dries. Alright, so here we are again. We're just the standard, typically takes 3 clamps. Now our goal here was to clamp the drawer slide to the face, and our goal was to glue the drawer side sideways to the face. So we pulled it forward, so we got good surface contact here. Then we pulled it sideways, so we got good surface contact in there. So now when we take off the 3 clamp system, we have one solid drawer that's not going to come apart. And we use no nails, no screws. Matter of fact, we took out all the old ones and we've solved our problem. The ridiculous video? This is about how bad it can get.